Hey there, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are absolutely deconstructing something that is honestly brilliantly simple, but functionally so powerful. We're talking about the ultimate natural remedy for hydration and digestion, the tropical detox juice. If you've ever woken up just feeling kind of sluggish or like you desperately need a clean, natural reset, well, you're going to really appreciate the actual science behind this blend. Let's break down exactly why it works right now. But before we get into the nuts and bolts, just ask yourself, what does true tropical vitality actually look like to you? Like, really picture it. Imagine this incredibly simple, natural drink that's pulling double duty. It's powerfully fighting off that sluggish digestion we just talked about, while simultaneously tackling deep-level dehydration. Normally, right, we reach for totally different solutions for our gut and for our thirst. But what if literally one single glass could do both of those things? Okay, let's dive into this. Part 1, meet the tropical detox. And that brings us to our next part, the ingredient blueprint. So when we peel back the layers here, the blueprint is incredibly straightforward. Actually, it's almost surprisingly simple. We're looking at just 4 precise, totally natural components. You've got exactly 1 cup of pineapple chunks, half a mango, half a cup of coconut water, and a little fresh mint for garnish. That is the whole shebang. Notice what's missing here? There are absolutely no artificial syrups, no weird synthesized powders. It's just pure whole foods coming together with a very specific purpose. All right, let's break this down further. Part 3, decoding the digestion engine. And this brilliantly illustrates how we have to look at these ingredients. We can actually split them into 2 distinct, purposeful functions. On one side, we have what I like to call the engine, which is our pineapple and mango. And on the other side, the hydrator, that's our coconut water. You see, this isn't just some random assortment of tropical flavors thrown in a blender. Oh no, it's a highly calculated pairing. This solid, digestion-boosting engine is perfectly delivered by this incredibly hydrating liquid base. Let's zoom in on that engine first, because pineapple and mango are basically superheroes when it comes to your body's internal mechanics. First off, they are absolutely loaded with vital antioxidants. But even more importantly, they contain these highly active digestive enzymes. This is where the real heavy lifting happens, guys. These active compounds literally go to work the second you consume them. So, what's the actual biological result of all those enzymes and antioxidants doing their thing? Well, it's a twofold win. First, it actively supports your digestion, making it way easier for your body to process nutrients. And second, it actively reduces inflammation throughout your entire body. Why does this matter so much? Well, because when your digestion is finally supported and that systemic inflammation drops, you can finally shed that heavy, sluggish feeling. It's a real game changer. Which brings us to the liquid foundation. Part 4, the ultimate hydrator. Now, as we know, a powerful engine just can't run efficiently without the right fluids, right? Enter coconut water. It acts as the ultimate natural base liquid that doesn't just hydrate the body, but it actively replenishes your vital electrolytes. I mean, that half cup from our blueprint, it is way more than just a convenient carrier liquid to help your blender spin. By naturally replenishing those electrolytes, it's restoring exactly what your cells need to actually thrive. So the crucial point here is what happens when we bring it all together. We get this complete, holistic benefit. You've got the engine supporting digestion and reducing inflammation, running right alongside that liquid base, which is hydrating the body and replenishing your electrolytes. This is exactly why these simple ingredients work so perfectly together. They don't just, coexist in the glass. They are actively collaborating to make you feel better. Which brings us to our final thought for today's explainer. Is this antioxidant hydration blend the missing piece in your daily routine? I really challenge you to rethink your morning habits. I mean, with just a little pineapple, some mango, a splash of coconut water, and mint, you can effortlessly incorporate a highly functional, 100% natural vitality booster into your day. Thanks so much for joining me on The Explainer today, and hey, keep seeking out that natural vitality.